What's up, family? I'm going to talk to you about the state of America. About 7 years ago, there was a major storm, Sandy. I believe it was a hurricane, Sandy, that struck the East Coast. And prior to the hurricane coming in, the President Barack Obama and all the politicians at that time was telling everybody along the East Coast to get ready, to prepare for this storm. Storm came, caused massive flooding, power outages for millions of people. It's a lot of destruction. And 3 days, 3 days, family, after the storm was gone, people in New York and other parts of the country back there were dumpster diving, looking for food and supplies. They were dumpster diving, looking for food, water, and whatever else they could find. Let that sink in for a minute. After 3 days, there was a lady that came on. They were interviewing this lady, and she was livid, that FEMA wasn't out there with water and food. She was mad at the president and all these government agencies for not being out there with food and water for them. Forget the fact that they were told a week in advance every day to get ready for this storm. I don't know her financial situation. I don't know why she wasn't prepared. I don't know why she didn't have at least 3 to 5 days worth of food in her house. I don't know. I don't know why all these other people were dumpster diving after 3 days looking for food and water and any other supplies. I'm not here to judge or condemn them. I'm here pleading with you as fellow Americans to please don't find yourself in this situation. There's a storm coming upon the entire country. The entire country. And for the sake of your family, please take this opportunity now while you have the opportunity to prepare as best as you can. Because when this storm hit, you're not going to have any power. When this storm hit, you're not going to be able to go to the store. When this storm hit, what you have is all that you got, unless you're able to barter and trade with people in your community. I'm pleading with you to prepare as best as possible. My heart aches because I know many of you, I'm like, whatever. Many of you, I'm like, God got me. God's going to take care of me. And my heart breaks for you and your family. My heart breaks for you and your kids and your grandkids. Because they're going to starve. Because you didn't prepare. Time is running out, family. It's running out. When this dollar collapses, you're going to be angry. You're going to be very pissed off because you could have taken that money and gotten you essential supplies. You could have taken some of that money and put some stuff away for you and your family. But because you didn't want to believe that this was possible, because you didn't want to believe that this was going to happen, you chose not to. And it's going to be nobody's fault but your own. I know there's politicians, I know there's preachers out there telling you that everything's going to be okay after the election. Family. You can believe what you want to believe. It's your life. You can do what you want to do. I'm not here to tell you to do anything. I can't make you do anything. But because I love you as a fellow American, I'm pleading with you for the sake of your kids, for the sake of your loved ones. Take advantage of this opportunity while you can to get whatever supplies you can. You could look around and see that the supplies are being dwindled down. You could look around and see the price increase. Please, do what you can. I love you guys. Peace.